Hello, welcome again to our YouTube channel All Things With Us, and welcome back again for another amazing video. So in today's video, I'm just going to be showing you some clips of the bed transformation that I did. And for this one, these are bed transformation that I did, which includes smaller beds being transformed into bigger beds. Yeah, if for example a bed is a 3x6 or 4x6 bed, in this video I'm going to be transforming them into 5x6 beds, like expanding the size of the bed, then transform it as usual the way I normally do. So now in this videos I'm going to be giving you 3 samples of the designs that we did try, that is to expand the size and transform it into a modern design. I hope you enjoy this type of videos, and if you do, kindly, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly do so. Also like my videos, comment on them, share with your friends and family. Don't forget to tell me in the comment section what you think about this idea of expanding and transforming the beds. And yeah, if this is your first time clicking on our video, feel much welcome to our channel All Things With Us. You can subscribe to my channel. Also, you can visit our channel and watch more of our content, because we do upload a variety of videos, that is DIYs, transformations, makeovers, and many more. And I'm going to be leaving you at this, and I will definitely see you in my next videos.